back and pull back 69. Don't get a jump. Let's go. Gentlemen, you have a race.
We are racing now. The race start for you right there. That's the way it sounds when they get them going. Had them lined up. Got number 69, our pole position, in position, and here we go.
There they are. You see them right in the sky coming around now. They're going towards the guide pylon, and then you're going to line up going around the back of the course. First time we're going to get a good look at them up close is when they come around the home pylon. So right now we have Lockie still on the pole.
Lucky Onslow, that's race 69. That's a gray jet.
Yep.
L39.
You can see Robin easily. The yellow, you can see that very clearly. That's Jeff Turney.
That's pole position number 2, Jeff Turney from right here in Reno, the Robin.
Right behind him is Bob McCormack. And that white airplane with the reddish maroon.
Same exact qualifying speed as
That's me.
Pace plane.
Here we go.
From Armadale, Australia in first place.
Yeah, they're as we saw them come in, that's where they are right now. Lockie in the lead with Jeff right behind him, and then Bob McCormack right after him.
All right, we're getting those speeds up, probably in excess of 400 miles an hour now.
Here we go. So here comes Lockie. Beautiful. Then Jeff Turney, Bob McCormack. Then you've got Alejandro, and then Kevin. Then Charlie, then Kevin. Okay.
That's right, Charlie Camilleri, Kevin Roll. Running out the top 6, so our starting formation is still intact. That shot from the pylon. You got to move fast if you want to follow those guys out there. They are the fastest class.
You get whiplash just trying to follow them around the pylons.
Yeah.
That's awesome. So, yeah, Lockie's still in the lead. Looks like Bob McCormack's making a pull on Robin, on Jeff Turney.
Got a cool down.
Bob McCormack will be the red and white or maroon and white plane. Coming up on the yellow plane. You can see it right there to the right.
Again, the exciting racing isn't first. So Lockie looks like he's got a nice little lead going. We're coming down the Valley of Speed right now, and you can see Bob McCormack. Looks like he might have made that pass. Wow, the music of the jets. Yeah, that's Alejandro just got passed, it looks like, from Charlie. Well, maybe not. They keep pushing. There's Bob McCormack making that pull.
McCormack just about going to try to make a run on Jeff Turney for sure. The Robin, race 54.
Alejandro, Charlie, and Kevin Roll. I've seen Charlie fly that L29 that Kevin's flying this year so many times, it's confusing almost. So what do we got here? This is lap 3 of 6. Watching first, second, and third, that's Lockie. Then you can see the yellow wings, that's Jeff Turney and Robin. Bob McCormack is making his move. Let's see what happens.
Yeah, he's been threatening all day. Jeff Turney all through this race so far. It's going to be back and forth, but so far Jeff Turney's had the upper hand. Lucky Onslow, good solid lead out there, but certainly,
so far,
certainly not safe. You wouldn't call him out of the woods yet by any stretch.
Not until he's on the ground and the trophy's in his hand.
Yeah, and it looks to me, of course, the angle says something about it. They're coming at us right now, but it looks like 2 and 3, Jeff Turney and Bob McCormack, may be gaining some ground on Lucky Onslow.
Wow, I can't even tell you. Looks like Bob's really moving in on Jeff Turney.
Well, he's on the outside there, so he's got to have a little bit extra because he's going a little farther.
Jeff is still holding on to second right now. Bob's making his move still.
3 Blue Jets, 37, 19, and 61, still holding down place 4, 5, and 6.
Lockie's got his lead, but let's see what Jeff and Bob are going to do back there on the back of the course.
Jeff doing his best to keep Bob McCormack at bay there.
Is. Bob's taking a look on the inside, taking a look on the outside, looking high, looking low.
Now, these guys are talking to each other right now.
I hope so.
Well, okay. That's...
Wow,
look at Bob McCormack.
Again, in the straightaways, they get a little bit more. Looks like he's got it this time.
I think he's got him. Yes, he did. Race number 1, Bob McCormack now in second place.
Let's see if he can hold on to it. How exciting. Okay, we got Lockie in first, and then, nope, it's still Jeff.
Wow, I thought Bob had taken him there.
Me too.
The angle is a little bit right at us, so it's sometimes a bit deceiving. Nonetheless, a great race for second and third place.
Our first commanding lead on Lucky Onslow, our Australian helicopter pilot in drop bear.
Props to race 69. He seems to be in control of things right now. Again, there's a lot of action right behind him.
Watch,
for
here they
second
go again.
place. These two
Here
right
goes
here.
Bob making his move again. Looking high. High and outside. Come on, Bob.
And he closes on him so well during this portion of the part of the racetrack.
Ooh, ooh, ooh.
Some of that's the angle, but I tell you what, I think they're neck and neck right now.
I agree. It's hard to call from this angle. Well, I know one thing. I know that Lockheed's going to come in first. That's our guy. And that's a checkered flag right in front of us.
White flag, white flag.
Is that white?
One more
That
more
is
to go.
white. Oh, watch Bob go for it now. He knows this is his last lap.
Lucky Onslow, race 69's got it, but look at this one. Great battle for second place.
Lockie's so happy that they're keeping each other occupied so he can just run away with it.
Quietly sneaking in first place. He hasn't got it nailed down yet, but this is the final lap. This is the white flag lap.
Jeff Turney, Bob McCormack, here they go.
That one's far from settled.
Bob's still looking down the outside. Lockie Onslow, good lead. Jeff Turney still second. Bob McCormack pedaling as fast as he can.
Well, McCormack, race one. Athena been knocking at the door all day for Jeff Turney. And Jeff Turney holding him off. There's Lucky Onslow, our leader so far. Looking very, very strong.
It looks like Bob's got it, doesn't it?
Boy, from that angle, it always has looked like that. But
I
we'll
know.
see. We'll know the real truth when we get back.
So Lockie's coming across the finish line. Let's see, where is he?
He'll be there. He is right
Oh,
there.
he knows he's got that checkered flag.
Lucky Onslow, your winner, race
Here
number
we go.
69, and it looks like
Another
Jeff Turney.
by just inches again.
We have seen some great finishes at the end. We haven't seen one for a win yet, but I tell you what.
Alexandre from Brazil, and then we got Charlie Camilleri and Kevin Roll is again pedaling as fast as he can.
Well, coming around now, the final
L29.
final two pylons, and he'll bring it in as well to pull down sixth place. Miss Independence, the L29 Delphin.
Yes. So I think I mentioned earlier that Charlie Camilleri got married on Sunday.